Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce all of you the introduction to data science, and here are our key concepts that we will talk in this video. So now let's get started together. The first point is about what is data science. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract valuable insight from data. It's combined principles from mathematics, statistics, and computer science to analyze data and inform decision making. Data scientists are problem solvers who use their skill to work with large data sets, often called big data, to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships. They work in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and marketing, to help organizations make better data-driven decisions. And move to another point is what is data mining? Data mining is a specific step or process within the broader field of data science. It focuses on the discovery of hidden, previously unknown patterns and insights from large data sets. And then, why mine data? Data mining is essential because it allows to extract valuable, actionable insight from vast amount of data that would otherwise be meaningless. It's moved the conversation beyond simple reporting and into the realm of prediction and proaction decision making. And the next point is data mining tests. So there are two main data mining tests. There are descriptive data mining and predictive data mining. For descriptive data mining, describe or summarize patterns in data that a human might not otherwise see. They focus on understanding what has happened in the past. And in descriptive data mining, there are three types. There are clustering, association, rule mining, and summarization. And for predictive data mining, these tests use historical data to build models that make predictions about future outcomes or values. They focus on forecasting. And there are also three types in predictive data mining. There are classification, regression, and anomaly detection. And I will clarify with the real example in each test. For clustering, this test group a set of data objects based on their similarity without using predefined categories. It's an unsupervised learning techniques. For the example, a company might cluster its customer based on their purchases behavior, demographic, or location to create segments for targeted marketing campaign. And for association rule mining, also known as market basket analysis, this test finds relationship or dependencies between items in a dataset. For example, a retailer discovered that customers who buy coffee also tend to buy sugar and creamer. They can use this insight to optimize product placement or create bundle deals. And move to summarization. It's takes generalize or abstracts a large set of data into a smaller, more complex, and understandable form. For example, a data science might summarize a customer entire transaction history into a few key metrics such as total spending, number of purchases, and most frequently bought category. For more classification, this test builds a model to predict a category called class label for a new data point. It's a supervised learning technique. For example, a bank uses a model to classify a loan applicant as low risk or high risk based on their financial history and credit score. And for regression, this test model the relationship between variables to predict a continuous numerical value. For example, a real estate company uses a regression model to predict the price of a house based on its square footage, number of bedrooms, and also location. Last but not least, anomaly detection. This test identifies data points that deviate significantly from the norm. It's useful for finding relevant that could be a sign of a problem. And for example, a credit card company use anomaly detector to flag transactions that are outside of a customer usual spending pattern, which could be an indicator of fraud. And for the last point, we will talk about data mining and what is not data mining. For data mining is about discovering hidden patterns in data to make prediction about the future. It's about finding insights that are not obvious through simple observation. But for not data mining, it is about answering specific question about the past. It involves summarization, reporting, and visualizing known data to understand what has already happened. And data mining, think of it as you think a telescope to see what on the horizon. But for not data mining, you have to think of it as looking in the rearview mirror. And here for today, thanks you for watching this video and see you next. Goodbye.